So while the Treager Scout is warming up today, I figured I would show you some of the prep on today's Potrabello mushrooms and peppers smoke. It's going to be nice tasting. We've already prepared the mushrooms with a little bit of oil on the outside. We're going to do the mushrooms top up, bottoms down. And we'll do one flip of the peppers a little bit later on, probably at 1 hour. So I like to put the food in the Traeger grill at the peak of the warm-up, at the very beginning of the cycle, so that they'll be nice and hot. Plus I've got to be in the container a little bit so it does cool down rather quickly. By the way, welcome to Traeger Smokin with Jon-Mark. Today we're smoking on the Treager Scout, and we're smoking Potrabello mushrooms and peppers. We're just getting started, so we'll check back with you in just a few minutes. Actually, we'll check back with you in an hour to see how they look. So here we are at the 50-minute mark, 50-minute mark, cooking. We're smoking mushrooms. Ooh, look at that. They look nice and golden. Look at that. We're gonna flip those things over and put some cheese and some other vegetables and things in them. Okay, we've flipped our Potrabello mushrooms and we're ready to start filling them. We're spraying some tamari sauce on the mushroom, and then it's blowing right square into the camera, into my face. And my other helper is now going to add some goat cheese to it, which is really good. Goat cheese makes a great filler. While she's doing that, let's take a look at what our pellets are doing. I'm using the gourmet pellets today to cook with. Yeah, good bunch of gourmet pellets in there. Okay, back to the goat cheese. Put some Costco onions on here. There we go. These are crispy, fresh gourmet crispy onions. Sold at Costco. Between the Costco Treager Scout grill, the Costco beer, and now the Costco onions, we're Costco-ing. And even the peppers are from Costco. I guess this is going to be a Costco meal. The mushrooms are from Costco. The pellets are from Costco. Everything's from Costco.
Yep.
All right, there it is. Nice and full. We're going to put the lid down and get to smoking again. And as you can see, we dropped from about 200 degrees down to 140 degrees, so give it a few minutes to catch back up. Check on a little bit later. Okay, the temperature has gone up a little bit. There's been a lot of wind out here in the last 5 or 10 minutes. We are an hour and 30 minutes into the smoke. Potrabello mushrooms, I don't want to go too far. Looks like it's doing good. Mushrooms are looking good. The peppers are looking pretty good. And we're on our way to end this smoke, I would say in about 10 minutes. It'll be all done. Put the lid down. It helps bring my temperature down just a little bit. So there we go. Back to 214, that's good. Give it another 10 minutes, then we'll take it off and it'll be ready to eat along with the main meal. Okay, so here we have it on the plate. We have our nice smoked pepper. Nice yellow pepper, all nice and smoked. With our Potrabello mushrooms. Ah, it smells so good. And our homemade mac and cheese. It's awesome. The mac and cheese is not smoked, everything else is smoked. Maybe I'll try mac and cheese next. Hey, hope you had a good time. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.